So we're checking out the TEEHO TK003 digital lock doorknob. Let's open this up and see what's inside the box. So we got instructions, kind of a support card. Looks like installation instructions in case you're putting this on a door that you don't actually already have a lock on. And we have the actual outside locked section. This does separate from it, interesting. And then this is your control pad. Then this, I imagine, is your smart part. Yep. So I imagine you install this plate first. That will allow you to actually mount that to this piece. Yep. And then from there, put that off. And before you install the batteries, yep, you'll mount this plate to that plate. Interesting. And then this piece here goes through there. You connect it to this piece over here. Very simple, very good to go. You got a regular lock here. And it's just a keypad. Here are all the additional parts. The actual lock are screws, some additional pieces for inside there, and then our keys. All in all, that is very easy. So it's a pretty interesting device to be able to reset the unit. There is a reset button which you have to press with this little loophole pin. It's right in there. And then if you just want to set it up to get to go, you can use the keys. But to use the keypad here, you're going to have to tap twice, enter your master code, and then tap again. And that will allow you to do a lot of things, from adding codes, changing the master code, setting up one-time codes, setting up auto lock, setting up a lot of different amazing features that are going to really give you the most out of this device. We'll show you a little bit more of those after we install it. But I mean, for the most part, this is a really simplistic and easy to use device that will allow you to get the most out of your lock without even having to basically connect it to an app, and that's pretty impressive. So if you're worried about Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or just technology in general, this allows you to do a lot of those features without needing your phone. So now that we installed that, it's pretty simple, pretty easy to go. But I do want to remind people that all of the codes and the instructions how to use the codes are all in the manual, which can be found right here. These are pivotal, so whatever you do, don't lose your manual, because this is how you're going to be able to set all the really cool features. Well, thank you guys so much for watching us install that, set it all up. Hopefully this is the right lock for you, and we'll see you guys next time.